Today we are tearing down the brake calipers, starting with the rear ones. These in specific has been sat on a car for more than 18 years, so you can imagine the level of rust this got. Brake pads should come out straight away after unbolting the back plate. I used a compressor to get the piston out. This acts similar to the back pressure that applies through the brake pedal. Rear brakes done, and now the front ones are pretty much the same, so I'm just gonna fast forward. Front calipers seem to have like a sensor attached to one of the brake pads. I'm not too sure what this is for, but my best guess is a brake pad wear sensor. This time I made sure to use a cloth to stop the piston from exploding on my face. For the next episode, I am acid deeping these and giving them a fresh coat of paint, as well as changing the internals to get a fresh new pair of brakes.